Every do-it-yourself job, home decorating project, or craft all start off strong with a good idea, but often stall because there's simply no good place to work on them. And sometimes you just need a second set of hands. Introducing Pegasus, the next generation of work table innovation from Worx. It's an all-in-one work table and clamping system. Pegasus creates a strong, versatile pop-up workspace anywhere there's a job to get done. Now you can have a workspace anyplace. Worx Pegasus has a versatile clamping system with 2 integrated channels for hand clamps. But Pegasus goes even further. Special locking pegs hold what you're working on. Straight, angled, up, down, and around. Pegasus holds materials, so your hands are free to work.
Do you need to turn any space into workspace? Well, the Pegasus is the perfect solution. Simply grab your lumber, clamp it in place, and go to work. No more calling your buddy over to hold the lumber for you. You just turned a 2-person job into a 1-person job. Pegasus is designed to do heavy-duty work.
My wife and I do a lot of projects around the house, so I'm gonna make a DIY succulent garden that consists of baby food jars and some scrap wood. What's so great about the Pegasus is the integrated clamping system. I can easily measure out what I need to do, and then I know that my cut is gonna go exactly where it is because it's clamped down very securely. What's awesome about the Pegasus is it can hold anything at any angle, and so it's like I have an assistant here with me. I think it turned out great. Pegasus helped make this project a lot easier. It was my second set of hands.
Pegasus is rock solid. It was engineered with steel, reinforced composite, so no matter how big your project, Pegasus can handle it. Pegasus is capable of holding up to 1,000 pounds. To prove it, we're lowering an entire car onto 4 Pegasus. Check this out.
Strong enough to hold a car.
Strong enough to hold anything.
The clamp, it's great that they're built in because I don't have an extra set of hands. So I need the Pegasus to hold this for me. So Pegasus really, really pays off for me.
That's nice and tight. Oh, that'll really help because I'm trying to build shelves, and this way they'll stay on the table. I won't knock them off. That's really cool.
I have a bad back, so for me, this would be perfect. I wouldn't have to bend down to do anything. I could just kind of paint.
Very lightweight. And that's pretty easy to open also.
2 easy folds, you pull it out of your truck, set it up, and you're working. I've seen other tables that they would last a day on the job, but I think this one would last a long, long time.
Pegasus has an integrated clamping system, built-in organization, and amazing versatility. It's a workspace any place.
Bring all your ideas to life and have a more beautiful home and yard. Here's your chance to order.
Introducing Pegasus, a next-generation work table innovation from Worx. It creates a strong, versatile pop-up workspace anywhere there's a job to get done. Improve your home, upgrade decor, even save money while you create lasting value and appeal. Pegasus is a rock-solid piece of equipment built with a combination of steel and composite materials. Each Pegasus can hold anything up to 1,000 pounds. Use it for shaping, sanding, painting, staining, hammering, building, and creating. It comes fully assembled and sets up in seconds. When you're finished, it folds flat for easy storage and effortless transport. Use it in any room, the garage, yard, or anywhere. Pegasus is an instant workshop with built-in organization and layout tools to make you more productive. The Worx Pegasus is a revolutionary way to get the job done right, to make your home more beautiful. Now you can have a workspace anyplace. Some work tables sell for as much as $500, and they're not even portable. But you can get your own Pegasus for just 3 payments of $39.95. Plus, act right now, you'll get not 1, but 2 steel clamps. A $40 bonus for ordering now. You'll also receive 4 locking pegs for creating multi-angle clamping. Order now and we'll double the warranty from 3 to 6 years. If anything goes wrong in the next 6 years, we'll fix it or replace it for free. Call or go online right now to order your Pegasus directly from Worx. Your satisfaction is guaranteed or your money back. But this offer is not available in stores, so you must act now. The Worx Pegasus. A workspace anyplace. Order right now.